24/7. And importantly, welcome to the mini marathon of RBWM. Why mini marathon? Because your exams are approaching now. Okay? So in this mini marathon, we'll be covering objective questions and some numericals. Okay? So follow this marathon till the end. Share it with your friends right now. Okay? Objective questions, these are totally new and the difficult ones. Okay? So let's start. First one. As per the bank's commitment under BCSBI, means Bankers Code and Standards framed by BCSBI. Okay, as per, so we'll read it faster, right? Because we have to cover almost 50-60 questions. Okay, so we'll be doing it fast because the more questions we do, the more easy it is for you in the exams, right? So, as per the bank's commitment under the BCSBI code, in case of death of one joint holder, understand this, in case of death of one of the joint holder, the other joint holder in case of ERS or FRS, former or survivor, receives payment as a nominee, sole owner of the balance, trustee of the legal heirs, and any of the above. Difficult one, isn't it? What do you think? See here, now understand the question first. Okay. As per the bank's commitment under BCSBI, in case of death of one of the joint holders, here one person has expired, okay, in some account. So it is ERS or FRS. FRS means what? This is a separate term. Former or survivors. Former or survivor means what? Up to the time the person who's holding the first account, means first holder of that account, is always is the owner of that account. Remember this. ERS means what? Either or survivor. Okay, either or survivor means both of them can operate even during the life of both. If both are living, then both can operate. ERS. Okay, and in FRS what happens? In FRS, before up to the time that first person is alive, so the account holder is of only F. This other person does not have any right on that account in FRS. Okay. Now the question is, in case of death of one of the joint holders. Okay, so if two of them are there, either in ERS or in FRS, and one of them expires, so in that case, what happens? The second person, so see here, A and B have a joint account. So in this case, if A is expired, okay, expired, we'll write it expired. Okay, so how will this B receive the funds? Will he receive, he or she? Will he or she receive the funds or the payment as a nominee? No. How can it be a nominee? Nominee is totally different, right? So nominee is not there. Sole owner of the balance. So this sole owner means what? Whether B becomes a complete owner. So many of you will get confused over here. Okay? Yeah. I'll keep this as a suspense. Sole owner. Second is trustee of the legal heirs. And any of the above. So, okay, I'll just give you the hint. A and D are out. So, answer is only B or C. Now, give me the answer. Is it B or is it C? Sole owner or trustee? Okay, understand. It is trustee. Trustee of the legal heirs. B gets the amount as a trustee of the legal heirs. This is very important. Okay. The B does not get the funds as the owner of this account. Okay. Now next one. Now similar question. Look at this. I have kept some questions from each chapter, and those are difficult ones. What did I say first only? Questions are difficult. Yeah. As per the bank's commitment under BCSBI in joint ERS or FRS, if there is a death of one account holder, the payment shall be taken by dash. If there is nomination in the account, again twist, isn't it? Earlier case was what? Payment will be given to the second owner as a what? Okay, that was the question. But here what is the question? Here the question is A and B are the account holders, okay, and it is ERS, okay, or FRS. Now A expires, okay. So The payment shall be taken by dash if there is nomination in the account. Nomination means, suppose if both of them have given the nomination over here, nomination. Okay. So who will get the funds? Will the nominee get the funds, or will the survivor get the funds? This survivor. Or is it the joint between nominee and the survivor? Will that both of them get the funds? Or survivor and the legal heirs? Who will get the funds? Isn't it twisting? Isn't it twisted? So remember, when one of them has expired, okay, the payment shall be taken by whom? There is nomination in that account. But only one has expired. So the payment will be taken by the survivor. Okay. Nominee's case arises when both of them expire. In that case, only nominee's case arises. Okay. Here it's not only expiry. See here, always remember, it's not only expiry. Expire, bankrupt or lunatic. All the three cases. Expiry, bankrupt or lunatic. All the three. Okay. Next one. Customer relationship management is basically having a dash degree view of the customers and their profile. So what degree view does the customer CRM have? It has dash degree view. What do you think? 45 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree, 360 degree. What do you mean by all these degrees? Okay. First, let me get the answer from you guys. Then I'll answer. Okay. What do you mean by this? CRM. CRM is what? CRM is a software. Remember, CRM is customer relationships management. It's a software nowadays used in the banks. It checks the customers from all the angles. If this is a customer and this customer is having, let's say, savings account with you, savings. So CRM tracks this customer on the basis of number one, transactions. What type of transactions the customer does. Okay. Second, how many more accounts can be pitched? If the customer is doing heavy transactions, then can a current account be pitched to that customer? Can a CC be pitched to that customer? Can a credit card be pitched to that customer? Can a insurance product be pitched to that customer? Can a TPP be pitched to that customer? TPP means third party products. Okay, it means what? Just tell me, what is TPP? What are the products under TPP, everyone? What are the TPP products, everyone? One is insurance, I told you. Second one, other than insurance, what is that? Mutual fund, correct. Mutual fund also. Type fast. Then can a locker be pitched? Locker. Right? So we have to check from all the angles, and this is known as 360 degree view. Okay. So CRM is basically having a 360 degree view of the customers and their profile. Got it? The objective of CRM, which one is more appropriate, which one is more near? Appropriate means near. Okay. So objective of CRM is what? To build a customer relationship, to have a long-term profitable relationship. C, to build a long-term relationship through better understanding of the customers. And D, to develop long-term relationship through better understanding of the customers and offering them the products. What do you think should be the answer over here? Let me see how many of you can answer. And this will show you your angle towards the banking. Always remember. What is the angle of the banking? Always remember, in banking, we always focus on CRM is okay. We have to say, do the CRM. Means relationship maintenance is a part. But why? Why do we maintain the relationship? We maintain the relationship because we have to ultimately sell the products, offer them the products, right? So what is the answer you guys are typing? I've seen, yeah, some of you are typing C also, but real answer is D. Long-term relationship should be there, better understanding should be there, but ultimately offering the products. If your products get sold, then only the employees will get the salary. Then only the bank will sustain. Okay? In which of the following delivery channels there is no human intervention? No. Remember, no human intervention. ATM, internet banking, mobile banking, and none of the above. There is no human intervention. Okay, I'll make this option one more option. Okay. I know you all have got confused. All of the above. All of above. Now tell me. So ATM, there is no human intervention, correct? Internet banking, no human intervention. Mobile banking, yeah. So the answer will be E over here. All of the above, right? Clear? So in which of the following delivery channels there is no human intervention? It is all of them. ATM, internet banking and mobile banking. In physical channels, which of the following human intervention is very important? So which of the following is important in physical channels? Staff of the branch, specialized marketing personnel and DSS. So who is more important in physical? Now what is physical channel? Physical channel means what? Where human being is there. See here, there are two channels. Okay, bank always has nowadays two channels. Banks. Okay, they have two channels. Which are those two channels? One is virtual. Virtual means just now we saw this e-channels. Okay, means all that internet, app, then what? Telephone banking, mobile banking, everything. And second is direct channel. Direct. Okay. Direct, or they call it physical also. Physical channel, direct channel, any name is given. Okay. Physical, any name can be given. So who in physical channel what happens? All the human beings deal in. Means it's the staff of the branch. Then as a specialized marketing personnel means that marketing officer is appointed in the branch, right? Nowadays. So that person. Or DSA. So who is more important? A to C all, A and B only, B and C only, A and C only. What do you think? Who is more important? A and B, B and C, A and C, or A to C all? Obviously, answer is A to C all, right? Why? You can't at all say this staff is more important and this marketing personnel is not important via versus this DSA is not important. Nothing. Everyone have their own roles, right? DSA is also important because how will you do the cost effective solutions then? DSA is mainly there in the banks for cost effective solutions, right? So that's why DSA should be there. DSA is also equally important. Why should you'll say why this specialized marketing personnel required? How who will source the business then? Because what happens normally the staff, see here in any bank the staff is like this. How is the bank divided? Means staff divided. Okay, staff is generally divided into three parts, isn't it? What are the three parts? One is transaction processing. Transaction. Transaction means what? Doing all this clearing and all these transfers, everything. Second is customer service. Customer service. So means whatever whoever customer comes to the branch, the service to that customer. And third one is new business. Means marketing we'll call it. Okay, we call it sales, marketing, anything. So marketing or sales we'll call it. So bank always has all these three types of this employees over here, right? Now it can be employee also, it can be outsider also. Like in DSM, in marketing we have this specialized marketing personnel also. Then we have DSA also, and even the staff of the branch can do the sales, right? So that's why all of them are important. A to C all. Remember, in any bank, there are only three types of employees. Okay, one is transaction processing employee, though means just now I told you, clearing, transfer, everything. Second is customer service employees who service the customers, and third one is this marketing. Okay, here, everyone okay with this? Should we go ahead? Type yes in the comment section, everyone. Just I'll wait over here. Type yes in the comment section. Everyone, yes. Yeah, chalo, move on. Okay. So, the bank has adopted the practice of distribution of total customer experience. Means banks have adopted the practice of dash. Means what practice? Single channel distribution, central channel distribution, integrated channel distribution, and multi-channel distribution. So banks have adopted the practice of what? Do we sell only via single channel or central channel or integrated channel or multi-channel? So what do we sell? Yeah, everyone, yes. So banks have adopted hmm, What is the answer? Everyone try to answer, because this is a bit typical one. Huh? Yeah. Everyone try to answer this. What do you do? Banks have adopted single. What is single channel? Single channel means it can be any channel. Generally, we call it direct channel. Direct means branch. Okay. Central channel, only HO, head office. Head office will speak to the customer. Head office will do everything. Integrated channel. Integrated means integrated. All these are combined, mixed with each other. But the correct answer is this, multi-channel. Because banks have adopted the practice of multi-channel to better off the customer experience. Means what? The customer, whenever the customer goes through various channels, internet banking, app banking, mobile banking, any channel, right? Or even the branch. So anywhere the customer goes in, that customer will have a better experience. All these channels, okay, let me show you this. Suppose if this is a customer, who all will target this customer? Who through bank can reach to the customer through what all channels? Number one, to the branch, okay. Second channel is mobile banking. So the bank will reach through mobile banking. Then third is internet, iNet. Fourth is app. App, let's combine this to mobile only now. Okay, app, right? Then fifth, only over? No. Bank can reach through DSA also. DSA. We'll combine this DSA and BC, business correspondent, because nationalized banks have BC and private banks have DSAs, right? So branch, mobile, internet, DSA, then what all? There are various other banks also, other channels also. In rural areas we have mobile bank, mobile branches, right? Mobile banking we have. Mobile means not mobile. It's running, we can call it. Okay, that van runs. Okay, van banking you can call it. Van banking, right? We go to the rural areas through vans, right? So various channels can be there. So banks have adopted the practice of multi-channel so that the customer gets a better experience, isn't it? For conservative customers, which of the following channel is most appropriate? Most appropriate. Conservative customer. Conservative means what? The one who does not want to take any risk. So it is direct, indirect, remote and virtual. Which of the channel? Indirect, remote, virtual, all these three are same only roughly, isn't it? Indirect channel, remote channel, virtual channel. What do you mean by this? Suppose if I call you internet banking, is this indirect channel or is this remote or is this virtual? It's all. If I say app banking, is it indirect, remote or virtual? All, right? So for conservative customers, we have only direct banking, direct channel. It is the banking branch. The customer goes to the branch and then does all the operations, right? Products such as retail gold coins, health policies, unit-linked insurance products, insurance cover tagged to the housing and car loans is a requirement of dash needs as per Maslow's hierarchy. So what do you mean by this? See here, the question is not of selling the gold coins or health policies or ULIP. The question is not that. The question is tagging this. Suppose if I say this is gold coin, I am tagging this to housing and car loan. So this is housing loan. So what am I saying? You buy my housing loan, buy this, and I will give you this free. This is free. Gold coin is free. Okay. So this is the meaning, tagging this to housing loan. So that is the real question. So gold coin, health, unit linked plans, cover tagged to housing and car loan is the requirement of dash needs: self-actualization, esteem, security and social needs. Tell me, or is all of them any B, C and D? Everyone, yes? What is the answer? Yeah. Let me see. What is it? Is it esteem needs? Okay, what is there in Maslow's hierarchy? Everyone, just revise this Maslow's hierarchy. What are the levels? The levels are, first is physiological, Physiology. Second is what? First is physiology. Second is safety. Safety. Third is social. Fourth is esteem. Right? And fifth one, anyone remember? Which is the fifth one? Yes, yes, yes. It is actualization. Okay? Actualization. Got it? So that's why these are the 5 channels, okay, of this Maslow's hierarchy. Now in this Maslow's hierarchy, remember 3 plus 2. So importantly, this physiology channel is this level is for the basic, is known as the basic channel, Jandan account. Jandan. Okay? Jandan. Yeah, so coming back, what is the answer then? It is esteem, security, social, or all of them, B, C, and D. Remember, only B, C, and D. We are not talking of actualization over here. Actualization means here the person is retired or very rich person. Okay, so it is B, C, and D. Answer is this. Only up to this level, human being is concerned about all these offers. Okay, after that, there is very rare possibility. It's not that nobody is concerned, but there is a rare possibility about it. Okay. Everyone download Adda 24/7 app on your mobile. In this app, you will be getting the premium study material plus live classes, ebooks, tests. Whatever you need for clearing this JIIB and CIB, you'll get it over here. That's why immediately download it. Okay. Which of the following statement is correct in context of marketing in retail banking? So marketing in retail banking. Okay. Which is correct? We want correct now. Okay. More the number of customers, higher will be the cost and profit. We want correct. So if I am getting more customers, will my cost be higher? What do you say? Okay, let's forget this remaining options. Just focus on this option number 1. More the number of customers, higher will be the cost. Is it so? It is not so, because this is, if my customers go on increasing, it is called as economy of scale. What is economy of scale? Economy of scale means scale, right? What do you mean by economy of scale? It means more, as the number of customers go on increasing, the cost goes on decreasing. See here, customers go on increasing, number of customers goes up, the cost of serving them will go down, right? Cost goes down. Why? Suppose if you have one employee, the same employee will be serving to 10 clients also, the same employee will be serving to the 100 clients also. So salary is same, right? Second, profits in retail. So this is false. Okay, this is false. Next one, I want to answer from your side also. Profits in retail banking are derived from large client base. Is it true? We want the correct one. Profits from retail banking are derived from the large client base. This seems to be true, isn't it? Check this. In retail banking, banks are more comfortable with smaller customer base. Means banks are trying to reduce the customers in retail banking. Is it so? What do you try? You try to close the accounts which are good. Sure. We close those accounts which are bad. But if the accounts are good, do we close those accounts? No, not at all. Isn't it? So this is again false. B seems to be true. But what about D? Banks do not focus on customer base. What is this? This is a requirement of each and every bank nowadays, isn't it? So this is obviously out. So answer is B only. Profits in the retail banking are derived from the large customer base. So that is the basic advantage of retail banking. As the number of customers here, what happens is, if the number of, we'll continue with this only here. If number of customers increases, then the cost goes down. And second is NPA. NPA chances are going down. NPAs go down because if the more number of customers will distribute the same money in large number of customer base. So that's why NPA will decrease, cost will decrease, profitability will increase. Okay. The following is definition given by dash bank. Bank marketing is matching the bank's resources with the customer's needs in the most profitable manner. So Which is the definition given? The following gave the definition. Who gave this definition? Bank marketing is matching of bank resources with the customer needs in most profitable manner. It was given by difficult one. See here, isn't it? It's a bit difficult one. It is Kenneth Andrew. Okay. Kenneth Andrew gave this matching of bank resources with the customer needs in most profitable manner. Bank resources means what are the resources of the bank? Money. What all deposits I am having, I'll have to match them with the loan customer. Customer needs means loan in the most profitable manner, right? Which of the following is part of the earlier remittance products? So which of the is a part of earlier? Earlier means now we are not talking of the new ones, earlier old ones. Demand draft, ECS, electronic clearing services, bank orders and telegraphic transfers, TT, bank orders. So ECS, do you use this ECS now? Do you want earlier now? Okay. Yeah. So which of them? ECS. Yeah. And which of the following is part of earlier remittance? So what is the answer? What do you think is the answer, guys? Everyone try it. For those difficult ones, I always try to think, take it from you. Okay. So which of them? Earlier ones, huh? Earlier. Right? It is A, C and D. Earlier remittance products. It is A, C and D. See here, ECS, we use it even now. We also use the ECS now. There are two types of ECS. ECS credit, ECS debit. Isn't it? You are having this in your portion also. So which of them are the part of earlier remittance products? The earlier remittance products are these. What? This is demand draft. Then bank orders. Bank orders and demand draft means one and the same thing, roughly. What is the pay order? Pay order and demand draft. What is the difference? No difference. Only the difference is pay order is given within the same city and demand draft is given outside the city, right? That is the difference. But nowadays, many of the bankers who have joined in last year, those who have joined in last year, you guys will not even know what is demand draft. Obviously, why should you know? Because now you have seen everything you have seen is UPI, right? UPI, then you have NEFT, RTGS, all these you have seen. So why should you worry about this old banking system? That is gone now, okay? And remember, it will never come back again, never ever come back. So demand draft, bank orders and TT, telegraphic transfers are the part of the older remittance products, okay? Banks have got newer, speedier, innovative remittance products due to what? Newer, speedier, innovative remittance products. Newer, innovative means what? Remittance means transfer. So we have got NEFT, we have got RTGS, right? RTGS. We have got UPI, IMPS, all these, right? So due to what? Changed requirement of the customers, advent of new technology, changed approach of the bank, and all of the above. Tricky, okay? What I say? Isn't it tricky? Now see here, some of the books give you the option like this: changed requirement of the customers, advent of new technology, changed approach of the bank, and all of the above. Some of the books might give you this option as D, all of the above. But the real answer is not this. The real answer is this: new technology. Now look at this. Because of technology, what has happened? The customer requirements have changed because of this technology. Remember, it's not cause effects here. Cause effect solution you need to understand properly. Cause is what? Technology. Cause is technology. Okay. And because of that, the effect is all these three things. New requirements, changed approach. These are the effects. Okay. So this is like this. Changed approach of the bank, changed requirements of the customer. These are all due to advent of the new technology. So right answer is technology. Clear everyone? Move on. Shall I move on everyone? Chalo, next one. The credit information companies generally provide information such as verified address, extent of the loan taken, whether or not there has been a default, and securities to be offered. What is it? Credit information companies. What is the CIC? CIC means what? This is CIBIL, isn't it? CIBIL. 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 Right? This is CIBIL is only one. There are many. There is Equifax, there is TransUnion, there is Dun and Bradstreet. Many of them are there. So this credit information company generally provides information such as what? Verified address, extent of the loan taken, and whether or not there has been a default. Default means C is very important. See, this is the main crux of any report. The crux or the main matter of any report is this: there has been a default or not. Default means what? Suppose if I have to pay this EMI and I don't pay it on time, so that is known as default. So what does it give? Everyone? Yeah. Type fast. Do we get the address? Don't we get the address over here? Don't we get the address? Yeah. Don't we get the verified address of that customer? What is it? Isn't it? It is. We get the, obviously in the report, civil report, whatever address is given, that is always the verified address as per the Aadhaar. Extent of the loan taken means how much loan this person has taken, that will be definitely given in that report. Default, but nothing about the security will be mentioned, because security no one knows. Suppose if I am having some civil report, means I have taken 3 to 4 loans earlier, let's say, and repaid it regularly. But will CIBIL know that I have brought a new house and that new house I can allow as a security? It won't know. So that's why the answer will be A, B and C only, not D1. Securities to be offered won't be the answer over here. Okay? Clear everyone? Move on. Chalo. Next one. Which of the following provides a facility called as buy now pay later? Buy now pay later. It is OD, credit card, debit card, ATM card. Which of the facilities? Buy now pay later. OD, credit card, debit card, ATM. Yes, everyone, it is obviously credit card, isn't it? Always remember, buy now pay later is always given by credit card. By debit card it says buy now, I'll just write short form now, buy now pay now, BNPN, and this is BN, buy now pay later, PL. Okay. Overdraft is totally different. It is a loan. ATM card and debit card are same only. Nowadays ATM cards are gone almost. What is the difference between ATM card and debit card? What is the difference? ATM card and debit card. Nowadays banks don't have ATM card at all nowadays. Okay. But earlier the banks used to have this ATM card. In this only cash can be withdrawn from the ATM. Cash from ATM. You can't make any purchase. No purchase allowed. No purchase. That's why I'm saying banks are not giving any ATM card nowadays. Okay. No purchase is allowed. Okay. So it is now credit card. Buy now pay later. Which of the following facility is called buy now pay later? Same thing? Yeah, same. Credit card. The customers expect the bank to be willing to help them and provide prompt service. This falls under which of the following expectation? Here, if you are the customer of the bank, what will you expect? That willing to help them, the bank should help you whenever you require it. And prompt service. If you ask for something, that should be immediately either provided or not provided. Both the things. Here, it's not that prompt service means always yes man. It's not only yes, no. It can be yes also or no also, but speed. Either yes or no, but speed. Suppose if I go for any loan, then the bank must immediately tell me whether will I get the loan or I won't get the loan. Even if they say I won't get the loan, then also the customer is happy, subject to you tell them fast. If you keep them lingering for almost 2 months and then you will tell them that so not happening today, customer will get so much angry, okay, as such. So that's why it will be a problem. So that's why prompt service, it will fall under which category? Reliability, responsiveness, assurance and empathy. Reliability, responsiveness, assurance and responsibility and this empathy. Prompt service, everyone, prompt service, yeah. See here, you will always have the problem between these two only. Yeah. You'll always have the problem between these two. Which one? Assurance and responsiveness. These two. So the right answer over here is between these two only, B and C. What is the answer then? Between B and C. It is responsiveness. Okay. Responsiveness. Assurance means what? Assurance is different. Assurance means if I give you the job, you should do it. But responsiveness doesn't mean only you should do it. If you can't do it, you can tell me immediately. Okay. So answer is B. A credit bureau tracks indebtedness and repayment history of the borrowers on the loans they have taken from. So this credit bureau means what? We are talking of what over here? We are talking of CIC, CIBIL, CIC. We are talking of CIC over here or CIBIL over here, CIBIL company. So CIBIL tracks the indebtedness. Indebtedness means what? How much loan this customer has taken, and repayment history, whether the repayment is okay or not. Okay, they have taken from only bank and financial institution, bank and NBFC. Bank, NBFC and financial institution all. What is the answer? Bank and NBFC and financial institution or only banks and NBFCs? It is all, correct? Bank, NBFC and financial institutions. Okay. The payment towards the credit card have to be made after 90 days, immediately, after some agreed time gap. Any of the above at the discretion of the issuing bank. What is the answer? Credit card payment is made when? Immediately or after 90 days or between the agreed timeline. What do you say? It is correct. Agreed timelines. This is the right answer. Generally it is, I'll tell you, 20 to 50 days. Generally. Okay. 20 to 50 days. This much gap you get it. Minimum is 20, maximum is 50. Okay. Some banks give 55 also. 55. That is also okay. 20 to 55 you can take it. But as per your books, it is 50. Okay. It is 50. Move on. Generally, which of the following is eligible for home loans? For home loans. Who is eligible for home loans? Individual and group of individuals. Individuals and member of cooperative society. Individuals, group of individuals and members of cooperative society. So, individuals, group of individuals and members of cooperative. And none of the above. Yes. Who is eligible for home loans? It is only A. Remember, only A. Here we are talking of loans from commercial banks. Commercial banks. Okay. Here we are talking of loans from commercial banks. Okay. Because in cooperative banks, you will get the loan if you are the member of that cooperative society. Okay. So that's why A is the only answer over here. The Credit Information Bureau provides report which is called as. Now what is this CIBIL report called as? CIBIL report which we get, CIBIL, right? What is that report called as? Credit Information Bureau means CIBIL only. What is it called as? Confidential report, credit information report, and scorecard. It is credit information report. That is the right answer. Okay, C. Got it? Which of the following statement regarding the satisfaction level of the customer is not correct? We want not correct now. Satisfaction level of the customer, and that is not correct. Fulfillment of the customer needs can be measured through satisfaction level of the customers. Means what? Fulfillment of the customer needs means what? Whether if I have come to the branch, whether I am satisfied by your service or not. How will you know? From the satisfaction level. How will you know my satisfaction level? From those, we generally in online banking take those stars ratings, right? Nowadays all the customers are online. So we have to give them that 5-star, 3-star ratings. Okay. That is generally the satisfaction level. Satisfaction comes out of customers' experience of products. Experience, what all customer experiences. So it comes out from that. The experience is same as in case of all services of the bank. So same in case of all the services. So is the experience same in case of all the services? Everyone, yes? Is the experience same? No. So this is not correct. Okay, this is not correct. Some customer may have good experience in the savings account department of your bank, but bad this experience in the loan department. So depending on what type of service you are taking and what type of service you are given, customer will have the satisfaction level. If you are having the good service in all the department, then every bank should strive for that only. It should strive to see that all the customers receive all the good services. Okay. The credit information normally provides following type of weighted information: payment history, amount owed, length of the credit history, new credit, and types of the credit in use. So this report will give what? Yeah. Which type of weighted information? Weighted means what? Weighted means which is the, always remember this word, weighted means what? It means whichever is the latest information will be shown first, and whichever is the older information will be shown last. Okay. So payment history, yes. Amount owed, yes. Length of the credit history, yes. New credit. Whatever new credit is taken, is it that also? Or type of the credit in use? Typical one, typical, very typical one. Let me see how many of you can answer. Yeah. How many of you can answer this? Let's see. Yeah. I'll take a break for 2 minutes, okay? Yeah. Okay, got the answer, everyone? Got the answer? It is? What is the answer? A to E all, isn't it? Yes. Payment history also, amount owed also, length of the credit history, new credit, and types of credit in use. Okay. Which of the following individuals are eligible for home loans? Now, who is eligible for home loans? Persons with regular employment, self-employed, with a regular stream of income, business persons with regular flow of income. Now, this is quite simple one. Let me see how many of you can answer. Yeah. Regular employment means permanent job. Permanent job. Is there anything permanent job nowadays? Permanent job, right? There's nothing permanent job nowadays, okay? And let it be government, let it be private, anywhere. There's no permanent job. because you always have to perform, okay, to survive. Performance is the key criteria over here. Persons with regular employment, self-employed persons with regular income, business persons with regular flow of income. So all of them, isn't it? A to C all. Retail banking is exposed to which type of credit risk out of the following? So which type of credit risk? Which type of risk? Sorry, not credit risk. Which type of risk? Is it credit risk? Is it business risk? Is it market risk? Is it operations risk? Or is it reputation risk? What do you think? Which type of risk is applicable to retail banking? Is it only credit or business or market or operations or reputation? It is all, right? It is all. Okay. What do you mean by business risk? Business risk means strategic risk. Strategic. Not seeing the future. Nokia company. What happened to Nokia? Everyone amongst us had that Nokia phone some 10-15 years back, 2006 to 8. Everywhere there was Nokia only. Everyone used to think there is no other company other than Nokia now. And Nokia can't die at all. But what happened? Within 5 years, Nokia gone. 2012 came, Nokia was nowhere. Right? So this is strategic risk. You don't see the future. Android coming, nobody saw it. And Nokia didn't see it, others saw it. Okay? When customers fail to pay the due amount, this account is classified as due amount. Operations risk, market risk, credit risk, and business risk. So if the customer does not pay the due amount, this account will be called as what? This will be what type of risk? Operations, market, credit, and business. Okay, if you don't know, I'll give the answer. It is credit risk. See here, credit risk is always concerned of two types. Okay, one is country risk, and second is customer risk, or we call it counterparty. Okay, customer. Actually, it is called as counterparty. CP we call it, counterparty risk. But in banking terms, we call it customer risk. So country risk means if the country fails. This is not there in retail. In retail, it's not there, retail banking. Because retail banking generally functions in the single country only. But customer risk is always there. Customer risk means the customer takes the loan and can't repay the loan. Okay, that is customer risk, isn't it? Everyone subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In this channel, you will be getting the latest updates on IIBF from IIBF on JAIIB and CIB. IIBF gives various notifications, especially at the time of exam. This date change, that date change, this marks change, that mark change, what various things they give. So whenever IIBF gives this notification, you will immediately see it on the Officers Adda 24/7. Also, second thing is you get the free YT series. Importantly, remember free YT series. Means right now what are you watching? Free YT. You're watching this mini marathon. What is that mini marathon? It is a YT series, YouTube. You're watching on the same channel and you're watching it freely. So that's why subscribe to this. Okay, free YT, and second is updates. Two are the important aspects, and for this you must definitely subscribe to Officers Adda 24/7 YouTube channel. In retail banking, there is dash. The dash is the beginning point of the marketing process. So which is the beginning point? Product development, product selling, product and customer. Which is the beginning point? Yeah. It is product. Main is always the product. After the product, everything starts. Product development, product selling, customer, everything is there. But product is important. Suppose if I have good relationships with the client, very good relationship. Suppose there is a client of yours. You also have many times some clients in the branch. You have very good clients, good relationship, but your bank doesn't have that product. Means the customer wants, let's say, some reverse mortgage loan. Very good customer. But your bank doesn't have the reverse mortgage product. In that case, what will you do? It's of no use, right? So that's why product is the main part. It is the starting point of any marketing process. The credit scoring can help a bank to reduce defaults, to eliminate the risk, to faster loan disbursement, to improve operational efficiency, to bring down the cost. What do you think? Yes? What do you think? Now it's a simple one. Let me see. Yeah? Let me see. Which one? What do you think? Yes? The credit scoring can help the bank to reduce defaults. Obviously, it will reduce the defaults. Second, to eliminate the risk, the lesser the risk will be there, because if credit scoring is good, here, what is the maximum credit score? 900. What is the minimum credit score? 300. Any bad that customer might be, 300 will be the score. And a good credit score is 700 and above. Above 700. Okay. So it is good. So if any customer's credit score is good, it means that customer has repaid the loans correctly on time. So that's why this is considered as a good customer. So it will reduce the eliminate the risk. Faster loan disbursement. So banker doesn't have to think much because already the score is good based on the history. To improve the operational efficiency, correct? Operational means faster loans disbursement. To bring down the cost, obviously, cost will also be brought down. So it is A to E all. Got it? Now let's solve some numericals. Okay. Loan is obtained by X for purchase of a car for 1.5 lakhs at 12% interest rate over 2 years. What is the amount of total amount paid to be paid as a simple interest? Okay, so somebody has got a loan for a car at 1.5 lakhs. My God. Do you get a car for 1.5 lakhs now? Do you get a car? No. You don't get a bike also nowadays, isn't it? The bikes are costing around 1.5 lakhs, isn't it? Let's see, okay. Forget this car. Consider bike then, okay. Logic should be clear. So what is this? Customer has got a loan of 1.5 lakhs at 12% rate of interest over 2 years. So what is the total this paid by that customer? Yeah. Total amount, what is the amount of what is the amount of total amount to be paid at a simple rate? So total amount to be paid. So firstly, you'll have to calculate a simple interest. What is the simple interest over here? 12% and 1.5 lakhs. So 150, 1, 2, 3 into 12%, 12 upon 100 into 2 years. Now it is for 2 years, right? So it is 2 years. So 12 to the 24 into 15. Do it everyone. 1, 2. So 1500 into 2, that is 3000. Okay. 12 into 3000. That is the answer. 12 3s are 36. Right? 36. So 36,000 is the simple interest for 2 years. And total amount is equals to A equals to P plus I. P plus I. Principal plus interest. What is the principal? 1,50,000. So 150 plus interest is what? 36,000. 36, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So it is 186. So this is the amount to be paid, isn't it? A is the answer. Got it, everyone? Second one. If the interest is to be compounded half yearly, which of the following is used? Compounded half yearly. Look at this, half yearly. So P into 1 plus R raised to n. Here, everything consider it over here as raised to, okay? Raised to n. This is raised to n into 2. This is raised to n into 4. Raised to n into 12. Now we want half yearly. Half yearly means what? Whenever you divide, what is the formula first? A equals to P into 1 plus R raised to n. This is the basic formula for compound interest. So if I do it half yearly, then R will be divided by 2. Divided by 2. And whatever number you do it to R, same number you will multiply to n. So n will be n into 2. Right? So what will be the answer? R is divided by 2 and n is multiplied by 2. So the answer is this B. Okay. If the interest is to be compounded quarterly, which of the following will be used? Now the interest is to be compounded quarterly. Similar question, isn't it? So again, A equals to P into 1 plus R raised to N, right? Same. Now quarterly means what? Divided by 4. So upon 4. And N means what? If the number by which you divide R will be multiplied to the same number will be multiplied to N. So N into 4. So R upon 4, N into 4. R upon 4, N into 4. Okay? Clear? If the interest is to be compounded monthly, which of the following is to be used? Compounded monthly, look at this. This is mainly in this housing loan. So again same, P into 1 plus R raised to N. So this is monthly means whatever is your period divided to the R. R will always be divided. So upon 12. Right, because this interest is always yearly, R is always yearly. Now if you want monthly, divided by 12 and N is to be multiplied by 2, 12, N into 12. So what will be the answer? R upon 12, N into 12. Right? So everyone, before going, let me show you, see this. Everyone should join this Sankalpa batch. Immediately join it. Why? Because here exams are near. Remember this, exams are near, and importantly, what I would suggest is the portion of yours is too big. Remember this, it's too big. Each book of yours, if you have seen by now, okay, you might have seen this. So in that book, each book of yours is around 600 pages, roughly, plus or minus somewhere here and there. Okay, so each book of yours is around 600 pages. So that's why it's a very difficult task. Okay, so how to go to Adda 24/7? Join this Sankalp batch. Go to Adda 24/7. I would always suggest you to go through the app. In the app, what happens? You get 1% extra using the coin systems. You go on collecting the coins, and those coins give you around extra discount of 1%. Then click on JAIIB and CIB. Okay. Then click on now JAIIB 23, JAIIB 23. Okay. Yeah. So JAIIB 23. Now click on this Sankalpa batch. In this Sankalpa batch, you will see 300 hours online live classes, 180 test series, 181 ebooks. Click on any of these 180 test series. Look at this. You will see this test series. Again, you will see this AFM separate test series, RBWM separate, IFS separate, retail banking separate. You will see all of them. And that's not all. Click on anyone. You will see this chapter wise test series. So chapter wise tests are available. Similarly, ebooks also. Chapter wise ebooks are available. See this. First 4 ebooks, all the 4 subjects. Then click on each one. You'll see these ebooks again, chapter wise, chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Isn't it a good proposition? So it's a good business deal for you. Online live classes, look at this. All these batches are shown. Click on those. You'll see the details. Okay. So these are the details here. This is starting. So that's why join this Sankalpa batch ASAP. Okay. See this, prep 80 code is applied, 80% off. Click on buy now. Okay, done. If you click on buy now, 19,999 reduces to 3,999.80. Huge discount, 80% off. Click on continue. Fill in your details. Pay through the credit card or any online mode, and done. Similarly, you can join this Mahapack also. In Mahapack, you get multiple batches. Okay, see this. Go to JAIIB Mahapack, look at it, JAIIB Mahapack. Double validity is going on right now. So you're getting the same, in the same fees, you're getting the double this classes as such. Now look at this validity, 3 months, the fees is different. 6 months, in 6 months and 12 months, you are getting double validity. In 3 months, you are not getting it. So buy it for 6 or 12 months. Even if you buy for 6 months, you'll get it for extra 6 months, extra discount. If you buy for 12 months, you'll get extra 12 months. Okay. So 9406 prep 80 code. Click on buy now. You'll see all the details over here. Just continue. Already the code is applied. So 47034 reduces to 9406. This is for 12 months. Okay. Put on, fill in the details and done. pay it, done. So I'll always suggest you to go through this Sankalpa batch, join this batch, join the Mahapack. Okay, you can join the video courses also. Let me show you the video courses, because what happens, many a times it's not possible for you to join the courses or because of the time constraint, right? Click on JIB and CIB. Now you go down, scroll down. Okay, JIB and CIB. Then click on this, not Mahapack. Go through the batches. Okay, click on JIB October batch. Now scroll down. See this video courses batch. Separate video courses. View all. You will see all these video courses. Buy them again. Okay. Prep 80 code is already applied over here. So that also it's useful for you. Prep 80. Okay. So I'll be back tomorrow with another series. Here at the morning we are having the same series at 6 for this JIB RBWM of mine. Okay. 9 and 9:30 for CAIB. So follow the YT series on this channel. Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon. And do join the batch ASAP. Okay, bye from my side.